Hey guys, welcome to Testing Universe. In this video, we will see how to install Java on Windows operating system. Before installing Java, let us first verify if Java is already present or installed in the system or not with the help of the following commands. Let's open command prompt and then we'll just type java-version. Press enter. So you're getting an error, Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, which means Java is not installed in this particular system. You can also check with the help of Java hyphen version. You will be getting the same error. We can check if Java compiler is present in this system or not with the help of the following command, which is Java C. And you are getting the similar error. In place of Java, now you have Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command. So this means Java is not present or installed in this particular system. Let's install Java in our system. So to install Java in on Windows, we have to download the JDK binaries from oracle.com. Java was earlier a product of Sun Microsystems. Sun Microsystems has been acquired by Oracle. So Java is now the product of Oracle. So we have to officially download the JDK binaries from oracle.com and we should install Java. After installing Java, you need to set the path variable as well as you need to set the Java home variable. We'll see that once we install Java. So let's go to our browser and then we'll search download Java. So not the first link, you have to just scroll down, or if the first link is oracle.com, you can click on that. So in my browser search, I'm getting it as a the next link. So which is oracle.com Java Technologies, and then this is Java download. Right, click on that and it will take you to Oracle website, and then it will be highlighting the tab which is Java downloads. So the latest version of Java is 18, and you can also download one previous version which is Java 17, or you can also download other versions also, but it is always better to download latest version. So I will be downloading Java 18, and Java will come with different flavors which is Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So in this video, we'll be installing Java on Windows. So I am going to click on Windows, and then based on your operating system, right, whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit, it will suggest you to download the respective bit. So you can download this one, the binaries. Just click on this, and then download will start. I'm going to cancel this because I have already downloaded Java. I have already downloaded Java, so this is the Java binary. So now I'm going to double click on this and Java installation wizard will open. So just click on S based on your operating system settings. So this pop-up will come. You can just click on S and then Java installation wizard will start. In the meantime, okay, this is the Java installation wizard. Just click on next. You can see here the latest version, whichever we have downloaded for 64-bit. It is, installing in our system. Click on next, and then it is giving the path of the directory in which it is going to install Java, which means it is C program files, Java and JDK. You can change it to any path, but for now I will keep it as default, which is C program files under Java JDK. So I am under C program files. If you verify here, Java folder is not present. If you verify here, Java folder is not present. So it is going to create that particular directory, Java directory, and then it will start installing the JDK binaries. So I will just click on next, and then once we click on next, you can see here it is validating the installation as well as it is going to install Java in our system. It will take some time, not too much time, hardly 1 or 2 minutes it will take, and then your Java will be installed in our system. You can see here a new directory has been created. When it starts extracting, a new directory is created, which is Java. When I go inside, the directory of the version of JDK I have downloaded will be there, and then you will have bin. Under bin, lot of applications will be there. Two applications we have to majorly concentrate on is Java as well as Java compiler, right? So we have entered some command Java hyphen version, right? It will call this particular application and then it is going to execute for the version, as well as to verify Java compiler, or if you want to compile the uh, scripts you have written, you have to use Java compiler. So these two are there. Along with that, whatever required necessary binaries as well as applications, it is going to install. Looks like the installation has been complete. You can see here the installation has been completed successfully. If you want to, understand some of the documentation or some developer guides and all, you can click on next step or just close over here. Once the installation is complete, we have to set two variables in our system variables, which is Java home as well as path variable. So for that, I'm just going to, click on search and then type edit the system environment variables. Just click on this. It is going to open up the system properties uh, pop-up. Click on the environment variables. Here you have two different types of variables. One is user variable and then system variables. We have to set the Java for system variables, and I'm going to first set the Java home. What is Java home? Until the JDK version path, right? This is Java home. I'm going to copy this and then click on new, type Java underscore home and then enter this particular path. Click OK. Java home has been right set here as an environment variable. Now under path variable, don't delete all of these. These are very important, right? So these are system generated paths. You should not, delete or you make any mistake of deleting. If you want to add new, just click on new. So I will be going to bin directory. Until bin directory, I will be setting the path of Java bin over here. Okay, just click on new and then enter the path here. Click OK. Click OK. Once we set the environment variables, now open a command prompt, a fresh command prompt. If you open the previously before installation, whatever command prompt is there, if you once again verify, it will give you the same error, though we have set all the environment variables. So you have to open a fresh command prompt and then verify Java hyphen version. You can see here 18.0.2.1, the latest version, whichever we have installed is showing up here, as well as Java hyphen hyphen version. Even this command should work and it is giving me the same output. And to check if Java compiler is present or not, just type Java C. You can see here Java C will give along with a lot of options. You have to use Java C with a lot of options. What all options we can use along with Java C, that option details have been given because Java compiler is also installed in our system, right? So this is how we can install Java and then set the path variables. By the time you install Java, it might be a different version, like an higher version 19 or 20, but this is the same process you have to follow to install Java, as well as setting the path variable, as well as setting the Java home variable. So thank you so much for watching.